Good morning, YouTube. We are out here today trying to be more consistent with content, so I figured we can fuck around with this thing today. I want to rewire the amp. Got some new 4-gauge wire for it. So I also got a new signal wire for the amp, capacitor, and line out converter. So it's pretty much like a 3-into-1 Johnny going on. I just made that this morning. And then I got some new gold-plated fucking RCAs. So yeah, I'll tune in. I forgot to add, the main reason I'm doing this is because these fucking wires in Canada get corroded and fucking shit after a couple of years, and it's good just to fucking trade them out if you can. Also, after a while of them getting corroded, you start to get like clipping and distortion at higher volume levels, so it's time for an upgrade. This is 4-gauge wire, or no, this is 8-gauge, and we're gonna go up to 4-gauge, which is more than sufficient for 500 watt RMS. But yeah, gonna keep digging in. So we got our loose fitted on there. Before I go any further, I'm just gonna take this fucking beat up wire brush and clean it up and hit it with the old dielectric grease. So yeah, should look pretty minty.
What up, YouTube? We're gonna get this fucking copper eyelet on this 4-gauge real quick. Just gonna heat up this fucking eyelet, melt the solder into it, fucking dip it in there and let it cool down. Pretty simple. I fucked that one up. I gotta heat the solder back up. Oh, good enough, nice and tight.
So they're all nice and cleaned up, greased up. So now it's time to follow this old wire back to the amp. So I'll probably start by disconnecting that shit now. So yeah, stay tuned. Got the amp disconnected here. So now I have the new wire taped to the old wire. It's just a matter of pulling it through. It's probably the easiest way to do it, I'd imagine. But yeah, it's getting there. What up, YouTube? Back here. Got this pretty much done as far as the 4-gauge goes. I just did a little connector Johnny here just so I could get some angle out of it, but then I changed my mind and I ended up going just for a straight shoot anyway, but no biggie. Yeah, no, that's what a finished soldered fucking connection should look like. Yeah, so all that's wired up. And I got my fuse holder in. I got the fuse just laying there waiting until I can finish it up. And I got some dress up bolts for the engine bay. I guess they're more like dress up washers or whatever, but Ching Chong specials. So yeah, pretty cool. There's what, fucking 5 in there or 6? 5? Find somewhere for those. I swear I ordered 10. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with 5. I still gotta run my remote wire and a couple other things. But yeah, figured I'd give you another update. Took a quick break and got another coffee in me and whatever. So yeah, it's just a matter of finishing up this 4-gauge stuff and then the remote wire. So yeah. Well, it happened. Waiting here for my bike. Got some free gloves and oh my gosh. Look at this fucking thing. Oh, we're gonna have to do a ride and review on this, aren't we, boys? My God, I've never owned something so nice in my life. It fucking fires right up. Oh, what a beast. What a fucking beast. I just want to stare at it. Alright, I gotta do some shit. I'll be back.
I'm spending like $110 on shit I didn't need, but the car is getting maintenance.
This thing is crispy. I love it.
Right now, the fucking thing is just gold and she's a gem again.
You could damn near put a dirt bike in the back of this thing.
Oh yeah.
It's like a fucking flatbed S10 back there.
Dude, this thing, for what it is, it actually gets up and goes. It's got some pep to it. And when I got it, because the speedometer cable's kind of broken, the fucking thing only had 118,000 on it. Still only has 118,000 on it.
Of course.
But I've driven it all over Hell's Half Acres. Like I fucking welded the upper control arm back on.
Holy fuck, they made it a 5-speed back then?
Yeah, dude.
That's insane. You would have expected a 4-speed out of her.
No, that's a 5.
That is fucking sweet. Rear wheel drive little peeler, right?
Dude, this thing's had so much welding work done to it. Like the whole left side was like the left side took some fucking abnormal run.
These things were infamous for getting rear-ended and blowing up, right?
Oh, the gas is right there.
They were infamous for that.
I never knew that about them, but it makes sense.
Yeah.
I actually literally wondered that a couple times.
They are well known for it.
Good. I'll remember to drive fast in reverse.
Yeah, and
hit
don't
someone.
fucking brake check anyone.
Well, that'll be the thing. Because not only will I get the car replaced, 'cause, you know, I have my buddy as an appraiser too.
Yeah,
The car gets replaced.
no shit.
The fucking thing, you know, they get a big fucking car.
Yeah.
You for rear-ending something.
Yeah, TNT brake check.
Rear-ending shit.
I gotta go meet my girlfriend inside, but thanks for your time, eh, buddy? What up, YouTube? It's the next morning. I got everything finished up on this old girl last night. So yeah, this is the new setup. It's not a bad setup, really. I mean, I still got a few things to clean up, but I just wanted to try to get as much space as I could out of the trunk. Still having full seat function. So yeah. Yeah. Not too shabby, honestly. Yeah. It's fucking freezing, boys. It is fucking freezing. I want to fucking take this thing out for a snap so bad. So last night I took this guy off, fucking rear reflector. Kind of gay. I want to take these front reflectors off, but fastened on the triple clamps there, so gotta loosen those back to take them off. I haven't gotten around to it yet. This thing's too new. John gave me some sweet green gloves to match it. That was nice of him. Shout out to John. Yeah, notice the lock, which is what you gotta do when you like nice things but you live in the hood. I mean, I pretty much give you every tool in here you need to fucking cut that thing, but it's besides the fact. Oh, I'll have all my tools locked up and shit too. But yeah, that's her, man. I gotta clean this garage up again. Seems to be a reoccurring theme. I don't know what we're gonna get up to today, but I'll keep you guys updated. I mentioned though, switching over to this fucking what is it, 4 gauge? Yeah, switching over to this 4 gauge from the 6 gauge I had before. Or no, I had 8 gauge before. Yeah, from the 8 gauge I had before completely changed the sound of the subwoofer. There's now no clipping. There's now more power. There's now yeah, it solved pretty much every issue I've had. And it's nice and clear and crisp. Nice. Oh yeah, check out the bumper sticker. Gotta love it. Out here with Philly. He came by, he's changing his headlights out, or his tail lights. This is his, what year is this thing, Phil? 17?
15.
15. Wrangler, Sahara, 35s. Looking pretty. Yeah, the 35s really set it off.
My grass too.
Yeah, eats the gas. We were talking about potentially doing a final drive swap in this thing, but I guess you would have to change the front diff too.
Yeah, you have to change the front and rear.
Yeah, that's a bit of money.
$1,200 for the whole kit.
It'll make it's like bolt-on power.
Yeah,
though.
But you gotta measure like the gap and shit like that. You need some special tools, no?
I guess we can look into it. I got everything we need.
But yo, to be honest, I don't know how long I want to keep this for.
Are you downsizing or upgrading? It's kind of big still.
I don't know what you'd call, like I was looking at the SI, the new 2-door SI.
You are a Honda boy.
Yeah.
You should probably get back into your Honda Flex. They're sick. So the turbo one.
You could tune them. There's one stock turbo, 300 horsepower, it's on the dyno.
Are you kidding?
Swear to God.
On a stock turbo.
Stock turbo, yeah.
I wonder what the duty cycle is like on that.
I have no idea.
I guess you could always just do injectors on a stock turbo. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, no. You were always a Honda boy. Phil used to have a V6 Accord coupe. It was fucking beautiful. He had
I had a 2-door Civic.
yeah, he had a K20.
The 07.
Yeah.
And then I had the 01 sedan.
Yeah, fucking dumped, bro. Yeah, the 01 sedan fucking scraping the ground.
That was a good memory, man.
The 07 SI was fucking fast though, bro.
It was alright.
It was full.
SI.
Was it?
No.
I thought that thing was K20.
No.
No? That thing held its own. So that was a little like F18.
Yeah,
F18B. That's cool, man. Yeah, no, you should get back into the Honda Flex. I'm a huge advocate for front wheel drive. It's just the right way to go.
Well, I drove last time I came up here. I drove my mom's Kia.
Yeah, peeling around.
It wasn't bad, bro.
Skirt!
It wasn't bad. I had my dog in the back, and I'm like, yo, I could go back into driving a coupe.
Why not?
Save on gas. But the thing with the, you go for premium.
That's all I put in my car, and I mean, it asks for 87.
You don't have to.
But, dude, the thing is, I redline my car every day. I beat the shit out of it. It's got 230,000 on it. It doesn't fucking knock. It doesn't tick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good gas means fucking hauling ass and not paying for repair bills. Fucking shit gas makes you foul up and fucking, it's like clogging arteries. It's like eating fucking shit food.
This thing takes regular all the time.
Yeah, but like, it's a Jeep, right? It'll take it. Is that a 3.7 or the 4 liter?
No, it's a
3.6
3.6.
Pentastar. So that's fucking 285 horsepower. Yeah, no, I was looking at the Dodge Journeys and they had that motor in it.
Yeah, pretty much like every Chrysler.
Oh, look, that car right there.
Yeah.
I was looking at that one.
I hate these spacers, but
Yeah, I guess you need the spacer so it doesn't crack the fucking thing.
yeah.
That changes the look of it though a lot. Just those little guards.
Yeah, if I stick with this thing, I'll get the heavy duty tire carrier.
You see the new ones?
Yeah.
Are they too pretty for you? With the LEDs?
Oh, I love them, man.
So why don't you just fucking trade this thing in and get one?
I was going to, but they didn't want to give me much.
Okay, so it's one of those things.
And like they wanted.
But like an SI is gonna be like 45K.
No.
No?
I was looking at a HFP for 24
Brand new?
with like 17,000 kilometers on it.
Cash out the door.
HFP.
Yeah, no, that's the, I'd do that. So you could pretty much trade this thing in for that.
Yeah. 'Cause these things hold their value.
Oh,
right?
fuck yeah.
It would be a direct swap.
And you're low K.
Yeah.
No rot.
I'm gonna hit 100 too.
Yeah, but if you traded in before you hit that 100 mark,
I'm at 95.
just fucking trade it in tomorrow. No, but seriously, to a dealership, once it hits 100, they lose a selling feature, right?
Sometimes, yeah.
Depends on the car.
All right, this is all good.
If it's a fucking Super Duty, I mean, they're gonna go to $500,000.
Are your plants still on nighttime right now?
No, you want to
No?
check them out?
Good.